No good girls. Any more bright ideas? Take over me till he sneezes. Oh, stop. He's getting snot all over my fur. I thought it was looking kind of shiny. Think kind thoughts. What? Think kind thoughts, and your claw will automatically retract. Can't. What? Can't with a little warm milk. Where? Can't with a little warm milk served in a silver dish. There. I should sue. He broke a nail. I don't think dogs have any money. And if they did, it would be covered in doggy slobber. I shouldn't do it. It might be against the rules. I shouldn't look. I can just say later. I simply do not know. You're in love. He's got long, floppy ears and a wiggly tail, and his name is Charky. And Charky is the most beautiful dog you have ever seen. Dog? Are you okay, Scarlet? Yeah, I'm just feeling a little funny. Funny straight? Or funny haha? Funny strange or funny haha? Would you like to live the rest of your life with only one ear? Funny haha? It could be worse. And this thing. It keeps me off the pound, but it drives me crazy. I feel like a fat guy at a funeral. So, what do you want? I don't know. Just something more. Look, Misty, I went looking for more, and all I got was more of the same and less of it. Stick to it what you've got. It's an easy one. Yeah. You remember what you gave up? I had a nice home right in this neighborhood. My owners didn't kick me, and my kids were nice and close. Not given away to some passing stranger. So, go back. Too late now. Yeah, but it's not too late for me. When I get out of here, this time, I'm gonna go searching for adventure. Good luck. I hope you don't find as much as I did.
I want
taking time. You want me to bring you anything?
No, I don't think we'll be that long now. But could you tell my pups, Sharky and Buster, Mom always loved them.
You're sending me with a message to attack wild dogs? You just might live longer than I do.
Thanks, Misty. You're the best cat in the whole world.
Yeah, and I bet your kids are gonna love me to pieces.
St. Bernard, I just want to be one pint-sized, powerful chihuahua. Lethargic? Are you calling me slow? Of course not. You think as fast as continents drift. That's for Lincoln.
Hi, Bandit. I'm afraid of heights. Don't worry, dogs are my lives.
Cat. That's a cat, Camden. Cats are not lives.
Good, let's go take 7 or 8 of them.
Couldn't we just wait until they come down?
Wait, the next thing we know, we'll be speaking Cantonese and running with our tails between our legs, like a dog that got hit by a truck.
Or fell off a roof.
Look what they did to Bear! Are we gonna let them get away with it? You don't even like Bear! You almost tore his ear off last week! So we could kill him, torture our ride, but cats are gonna learn that dogs are off limits. Yeah, that's right. They should even run for weeks, spineless pups. Hey! I didn't mean you! Everyone knows you're as strong as your big brother Chucky!
Or will be someday. He's still learning.
No one ever gives me any respect because I'm little on the outside doesn't mean I'm little on the inside. Rough! Rough? That's right, I got it wrong. Rough, 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 I got it rough. Rough, 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 I got it rough. Rough, 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 I got it rough. Rough, 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 rough. I got it rough. Ever since I was a little doggy, everyone
Whoa, that was a close one there. For a minute there, I thought that little red cat was going to tear your face off. Are you alright? Are you bleeding anywhere?
Next marriages sometimes work out. I watched you fly and frog. Oh, that one has a bad end.
I think I must be sick or something.
Don't worry, Turkey. You'll snap out of it. Just try not to let the other guys know you're in love with a cat.
I told you so.
Dogs can't love.
Turkey doesn't love that cat. And to prove it, we're going to find that little red cat and tear it to pieces.
Well, that will be proof that you can't love a furry little hairball.
Like one cold down deep in your throat. So you have to hang up like this.
What a terrible fight! I couldn't see a thing, and I ended up losing an eye. That's funny. I got an extra. I can't understand what went wrong. Everything was all dreamy and romantic one moment, and Armageddon the next. I can't stand these wild mood swings.
Do you mean he can bounce